Quito is a high-altitude Andean capital known for the historic charm, stunning volcano views, and cultural richness. From the cobbled streets of the colonial old town to leafy neighborhoods and airport access hotels, Quito offers diverse stays from budget-friendly hotels to boutique chics and luxury havens. Here are the top 10 hotels in Quito that combine comfort, atmosphere, and value. The first one is Casa Gangotina. This refined boutique hotel overlooks Plaza San Francisco and is housed in a grand colonial mansion. The interior preserves original frescoes and elegant woodwork, while rooms feature high ceilings and tailored Ecuadorian decor. Its position in the old town make it perfect for exploring cultural side by food. Guests praise the rooftop terrace restaurant with city views. Rates are in the upper luxury range around $300 and $350 per night. The second one is Hotel Plaza Grande. Steps from Plaza de la Independencia, this luxury hotel combines Spanish colonial architecture with modern comforts. It features a fine dining restaurant, rooftop terrace views, and elegant evening show like live guitar with just 15 beats. The atmosphere is intimate and atmospheric. Expected rates around $280 to $330 per night. The third one is Hotel Patio Andaluz, a serene boutique hotel in an old work or country yard setting. Patio Andaluz offers classic decor, exposed brick wall, and a peaceful country yard garden. Located just off the old town's main plaza, it is ideal for heritage walks and city exploration. Rooms are elegantly simple, featuring parquet floors and period furnishing, which typically range from $110 to $130 per night. The fourth one is Hotel Casa Aliso. This charming small hotel in the artistic Floresta neighborhood dates back to 1936 and features a lovely garden and terrace. Rooms have hardwood floors and some include a private sit-out terrace. Its location is great for exploring local cafes and creative spaces. Highly rated for cleanliness and hospitality, with nightly rates around $70 to $85 only. The fifth one is Hotel Casa Gardenia, a stylish boutique in a historic center. Gardenia blends historic masonry with modern minimalism. It offers well-lit rooms, hardwood floors, and guest access to a quiet cafe. Centrally located near artisan market and colonial landmarks, it is ideal for city adventures. Rates range from $90 to $120 per night. The next one is La Cuenta by Wyndham Quito. Situated near La Carolina Park, this comfortable mid-range hotel provides convenient access to shopping areas, restaurants, and business venues. It features modern rooms, gym access, and free parking. With solid service and reasonable rates, it is a top pick for value-conscious travelers around $50 to $55 per night. The next one is Art Plaza Hotel. Just minutes from Plaza de la Independencia, Art Plaza offers clean, simple rooms with city access and a rooftop terrace for views. It attracts guests seeking a central base without luxury price. Rate generally stay between $25 to $35 per night, making it one of the most affordable centrally located options. The next one is Selena Quito La Ronda. This contemporary boutique launching on La Ronda Street blends domes and private rooms in a colorful heritage setting. With a lively common area, workspace, and cafe, it is ideal for younger travelers or digital nomads focusing on community. Prices for shared rooms start around $40 to $60 and private rooms fall between $80 to $100 per night. The second last is Isla Experience Hotel. Isla offers experiential luxury in Quito's old town branding from temporary design with a restored heritage building. Each room is styled with art and modern furnishing, and guests enjoy rooftop terraces and curated cultural tours. It is outstanding among boutique lovers with rates around $200 to $240 per night. The last one is JW Marriott Quito. Located in a modern La Mariscal district, this luxury property offers three on-site restaurants, wellness spa, pools, and business facilities. Rooms showcases city views and upscale decor. It is ideal for corporate travelers and leisure guests seeking international standards. Nightly rates fall around $260 to $300 depending on season. Whether you are in Quito to explore its UNESCO-listed historic centers, scroll the leafy La Carolina district, or attend business in Mariscal, these hotels offer excellent choice across budget and styles. From architectural boutique ballet charm to cozy hostel energy and modern luxury, Quito's accommodation scene has something special for every traveler.